The white blinking light on a Linksys router typically indicates that the device is experiencing difficulties in establishing a connection with the internet service provider. This issue can arise due to outdated firmware or damaged or loose cables. To resolve this problem, it is essential to inspect the cable connections and ensure they are firmly in place. If any damage is visible, the cables should be replaced, either by the user or a technician. Another potential solution is to update the router's firmware. This can be achieved by connecting the router to a computer using an Ethernet cable, then accessing the router's IP address through a web browser. After logging in with the password and username, the dashboard will provide access to the firmware details. The next step is to visit the manufacturer's website and navigate to the support section to find available updates for the specific router model. Once the update is downloaded and saved to the computer, it can be uploaded to the router through the update option. It is crucial not to interrupt this process, and once complete, the router should be restarted to determine if the white blinking light has stopped. If the issue persists, it is recommended to contact an authorized technician for further assistance.